Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shooting range business. So if you are also running a shooting range business and receive a lot of queries from your customer regarding booking, shooting packages and pricings. So in this video I have brought the solution for this problem by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for shooting range business. So this chatbot will show customers the shooting packages, answer their queries, make bookings and even provide safety tools and contact support to your customers. So you can create a chatbot like this for your shooting range business by using Pabbly Chatflow. But firstly I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account named as XYZ Shooting Range. Now here you can see I am going to send a message that is hello. As I have entered hello, I am getting an automated reply that is hey there, welcome to XYZ Shooting Range. I am your virtual assistant. How can I help you today? And here we are getting three buttons, that is see packages, safety rules and contact support. So now let's click on our first button, that is see packages, and see what will happen further. As I am selecting see packages, I am getting a message which consists of some of the packages. So here it is asking me to enter the package name for making booking. So now let's enter a package name here. Here I am going to select the first package. As I am entering the package name, here it is providing me a message which is asking me for the full name, preferred date, preferred time slots and number of shooters for confirmation. So now let's enter these details for making booking. Here you can see I have provided the detail, that is name, date, time and number of shooters. After that I am getting a message that the session has been booked. Now let's enroll to our another button, that is safety rules. After selecting safety rules, here I am getting a message which consists of some of the safety rules. So now let's enroll to our last button, that is contact support. As I am selecting contact support, I am getting a message which consists of the contact number, email and location of the shooting range. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. For that you just have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you just have to click on sign in. As I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app, and on the Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Here you can see we are getting the option for folders. If you want to create your own folder, you can just click here and create it. Now moving on to the sidebar, these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now let me explain you these features shortly. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them the automated replies. Now another one we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now the next one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing the chatbot here. Now the another one we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates here. Now the next one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can just click here. Now moving on to the next, we are getting flows. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. Now another one we are getting is AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistant from here. Now the next one we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. For that, just click on flows. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add your own flow by just clicking on add flow button. After clicking on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node. If you want to provide a name to your flow, you can just provide it here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for shooting range business. Now moving on on further, here on this flow start node, it is asking me to enter keywords. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter. Now moving on further, here it is asking me to enter regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now here it is asking me to choose template. If you want to add template to your message, then you can choose template from here. Now if a user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and templates. For creating a message, we just have to click on text plus button. Once you will click on text plus button, here you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter a message here. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and I have entered this name XYZ shooting range between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to create some buttons for my customer. So here you can see we are getting the option for add button. Once you will click here, it will ask you to enter the text. So now here you can enter the text of your button. So the first button I have created is C packages. You can create many more buttons like this. So click on add button and enter the text of your buttons. So here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is safety rules and contact supports, like the first button, that is C packages. So now if the user clicks on C packages, I want to send them list of package and asking about which package they want to select. For that I will just go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. Once you will click here, you will get this question node, and here you can enter the question or the message you want to ask from your customers. So here I am going to enter some packages and ask user which package they want to select. So now let's connect the C package button with this question node, and here we have to enter the message we want to send to our customers. Here you can see I have provided some packages to my customer and asked them which package they want to select. Now here it is asking me to select contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own contact custom fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as choice here, and the format I am going to select as any. Now if the user provides answer to this question, then again I want to ask about their details. For that again we have to click on ask question. Now here in this message node I am going to ask the user about their location, preferred date and time for making booking. So now let's enter the message here. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the full name, preferred date, preferred time slot and number of shooters for my customers. Now I am going to select contact custom field as details here, and the format I am going to select as any. Now if the user provide the details, I want to send them confirmation message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. Here I have provided the message that their session has been booked, and now I am going to provide some safety rules in the form of message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the safety rule in the form of message. Here you can see I have provided some safety rules to my customers. Now let's provide our contact details to our customers. So just drag and drop and select text plus button for entering the details in the form of message. Here you can see I have provided contact detail, email, location to my customers. So here you can see we have successfully created our flow for creating a chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your shooting range business. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save. Once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you just have to click on inbox. Once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. And here I am successfully receiving message from this number, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered. And one point is to be noticed that this chatbot is following the path which we have created through our flow. Means if the user will send a message, we will send them an automated reply that is welcome message. And now if the user will select C packages, we will provide them some packages option and ask them which package they want to select. So here you can see we have successfully created a chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.